How to hide Instagram post from one person. If you are trying to hide your Instagram post from a specific person, first open up your Instagram app. Then you're going to head over to the bottom right corner on your profile. And once that is done, you just tap on the menu icon at the top right. You will land on your settings page. Now scroll down a bit until you find how others can interact with you. Then you're going to head over to limit interactions. And here what you can do is what will be limited, who will be limited. Here you are going to choose this. So on what will be limited, I'm going to select the second option here, like tags, mentions, story replies, content remixing, and many more. Then on the who will be limited option, here you can have different options like your recent followers or the accounts that doesn't follow you back. So what I'm going to do is select the first one, everyone but your close friends. So what you're going to have to do is click on close friends list. This process works best when you have small amount of followers. So you can select every account that you don't want to see this and then just leave that one person. So let's just leave this person right here and then tap on done. So all of this profile will be able to interact with my posts, but the one person that I didn't select will not be able to. But if you have a large amount of following, then this will not be ideal. So in that case, you can head over to restricted and here just select any account that you don't want. So go ahead and search for the name and then you can restrict that account. And then you can remove the restriction from other accounts right here. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.